So adulteration, the negative space of fake oils. So authentic oils, they have what's called nature's entourage. And fake oil, it's adulterated and doesn't have that. It might have a smell to it, but it doesn't have the energy and doesn't have the beneficial chemicals. And estimates suggest up to 75% of commercial oils may be adulterated. And the trick is they add synthetic isolates or cheaper species such as lavandin and sell as lavender oil. And authentic oils have specific ratios and trace markers, the entourage that the factories miss. And commercial adulteration is rampant. Labs use negative space forensics to spot what's missing, the tiny trace elements that nature creates, but factories forget to add. So the oil can smell really good, like really lavender airy smell, whatever it is. But it's synthetic. They take the beneficial chemicals out, like linalool, and then they create like a synthetic linalool, and they can create that from other oils, and then they put that back into the oil, and it'll smell like lavender, but it's not complete anymore. So you have to watch out because the oils will say like 100% oil, 100% essential oil. Yeah, it could be 100% essential oil, but doesn't mean it's not adulterated. So you have to be careful. If it's too cheap, you have to wonder, like if it's, you know, coming from, I don't know, it's like $5 at Walmart or like, I don't know, huge bottle Amazon for $20. You have to just, use your best judgment. Because, if it's not pure, you could be poisoning yourself. So, the extraction engineering, heat versus pressure. Steam distillation is good for robust oils